5 easy and delicious breakfast recipes. These 5 easy and delicious breakfasts are perfect for busy mornings. It's quick to make, nutritious and satisfying. Number 1. Savory egg pancakes with onions. Ingredients: 2 big onions, 2 small eggs, 1 tablespoon scallions, chopped, 1 small carrot, diced, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon plain flour, oil for cooking. Instructions: 1. Prepare the onions. Cut the onions into thin slices about 1 centimeter thick. Remove the inner part and set the larger rings aside. 2. Mix ingredients in a bowl. Combine the chopped scallions, diced carrot, salt, flour, and 2 beaten eggs. Stir until well combined. 3. Cooking. Brush pan with oil. Place the onion rings in the pan, then pour the batter into the center, smoothing it out. 4. Fry. Cook on medium-low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes until set. Flip to cook the other side until golden brown. Serve warm. Number 2. Chilean egg pancakes. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh chives chopped, 1 tablespoon plain flour or oats flour, or 3 eggs, a pinch of salt, 1-2 teaspoon curry or your choice of spices, oil for frying. Instructions: 1. Prepare the chives. Wash and chop the chives. 2. Mix ingredients in a bowl. Mix the chopped chives with flour. Add beaten eggs, salt, and spice powder. Stir until combined. 3. Cooking. Preheat a frying pan with oil over medium heat. Scoop the chive mixture into the pan, flattening it slightly. Fry. Cook for 2 minutes on one side. Then flip and cook until both sides are golden. Serve hot with soy sauce or dip of your choice. Number 3. Quick ham and egg wraps. Ingredients: 2 wraps or tortillas, 4 eggs, diced ham, lettuce, ketchup. Instructions: 1. Prepare the filling. In a bowl, beat the eggs and add diced ham. 2. Cooking. Heat a nonstick pan over medium heat and add the egg mixture. Stir until the eggs are scrambled and cooked through. 3. Assemble wraps. Place the scrambled eggs on the wraps. Top with lettuce and ketchup. 4. Roll and serve. Roll up the wraps tightly and enjoy. Number 4. Crispy potato pancakes. Ingredients: 2 medium potatoes shredded, 1 tablespoon flour, 1 egg beaten, salt and pepper to taste, oil for frying. Instructions: 1. Prepare potatoes. Shred potatoes using a grater. Squeeze out excess moisture. 2. Mix ingredients in a bowl. Combine shredded potatoes, flour, and beaten egg. Season with salt and pepper. 3. Cooking. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Spoon the potato mixture into the pan, flattening slightly. 4. Fry. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes until golden brown. Then flip and cook the other side. Serve hot. Number 5. Banana oatmeal pancakes. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana mashed, 1 to 2 cup oats, 2 eggs, a pinch of cinnamon, optional. Instructions: 1. Mix ingredients in a bowl. Combine the mashed banana, oats, and eggs until smooth. Add cinnamon if desired. 2. Cooking. Heat a nonstick pan over medium. Heat and pour in the batter to form pancakes. 3. Fry. Cook for 2-3 minutes on each side until golden. Serve with honey or maple syrup.